In this video, I'm going to show you how to lag out Viber on PC or laptop. So all you have to do is here, click settings. Once you click settings, just navigate your privacy and security. And as you can see here, just scroll down. And as you can see here, deactivate Viber on desktop. So just click this and click that. And there you go. You have lag out to your Viber. And also, you can also deactivate your Viber account on PC or laptop using your phone. You can also unlink the Viber in your cell phone. And that's it. And if you want to log in back again, just scan this QR code and you are going back to where you log in PC or laptop.